And thank you for joining us for this special show highlighting the community baby shower and the difference that your generous donations make to many people here in Southeast Wisconsin. And joining me live now to talk more about what is done with your donated diapers, wipes, and formula is Jessi Trauth with the Women's Center in Waukesha. Jessi, it's so good to see you. Thanks for making time for us this afternoon.
Thank you so much for having us here. It's one of our favorite times of year.
Oh, well, thank you. So, Jessi, I know the Women's Center works with people who are impacted by domestic violence, sexual assault, child abuse, human trafficking, very, very complicated issues. How has the Women's Center been able to still accommodate the needs of the people who need your services, yet keep yourselves and your employees safe?
It has been a daily change, right? So we're all wearing our fun masks and all of our good PPE, making sure that clients are healthy and safe. So things like that we get from the community baby shower. We have lots of thermometers around, lots of hand washing, hand sanitizing stations, lots of space and the fun little markers on the floor. We had dinosaur feet on the floor for a little while. So our littlest friends knew how far away to stay from each other. We're just trying to make it as fun while we're making it safe as we possibly can.
Have you found the needs of your clients have changed with the pandemic?
Yes, so many of our clients were really stuck in their homes, right? We all had the safer at home order, but it really added another layer of concern for those who were in abusive relationships, things that were helping them access services and safety before, like going to a doctor's appointment or taking the kids to school or, even running to the grocery store weren't available. And so we saw a lot of increase in the severity of injuries, and folks that we might have been able to work with earlier in their situation just weren't able to access services at that point. So by the time we were able to connect with them, it was a lot of really serious situations.
What is the reaction from people there when they do receive diapers or wipes and they know that they came from the community as a way to say, hey, here, this is for you, take care of yourself?
It is such a treat to see the looks on their faces and the joy. It really reminds them and lets them know and reassures them that other people care about them, that they have value, that they are wanted and that they are needed, and that their children are valued and that others are looking out for them. It makes them feel very prized and special.
Well, that's wonderful to hear. Are there things in particular that you need this year that are maybe different from years past?
We always need the good basics. We need pacifiers. What are some things that are a little bit different? Sippy cups and bottles, but otherwise those diapers and wipes, especially those bigger ones and those training pants, because those go quickly and we know those are pricey. I think a bag of training pants for a big kid is about $24 a package. And depending on how well we're doing with potty training, it can last anywhere from 2 days to 2 weeks.
All right. Well, Jessi Trauth with the Women's Center, thanks so much for your time, and we'll try to get lots of supplies for you this year.
Thank you all so much.